Hey guys, I haven't made a video in a really long time where actually, I talk to you guys. So I figured, I'm back. Wow, I don't really know what to talk about. I got new glasses. They're really ugly, but they're replacements until I get my new ones. But my mommy, I love my mommy. My mommy is going to let me get contacts, colored contacts. Very excited. I'm video chatting with a friend right now, but he doesn't realize that I'm making a video. He's showing me something. I don't know. Anyway. Philip! Say hi. Fuck. Say it again. Say hi.
Unless you use a reflection.
Say hi to half of your face.
Oh, hi, it's me.
Yeah, that's Philip. Philip's a little out there.
So, Holly, should I continue to make retarded videos of us?
Yeah.
But they suck because they're on my iPod.
Yeah. Anyway, I just cut my hair today, so I get more layers in my hair.
Yeah, really good.
Stuff.
Shit, this bright natural light in the background.
It's like the sun. I'm holding the sun.
This is Holly. Holly, what do you have to say today?
I'm recording.
You're recording? I'm recording.
I told you I was recording. Philip's a fucking moron.
Well, fuck you too, man.
You know you
But
want
what would you
to.
like to say to the camera people today? Oh, Holly, that is a great way to show your love. We take that very, very deeply, and we hold that close to us. We love you very much. And you're gonna treat us that way? You know what I have to say to you? You know what I have to say to you?
What?
You're my best friend.
I'm your best friend. That's my best friend. Well, let's see. Yeah, it's past 12. I'm gonna start doing video
We can play Fancy Pictures.
every Wednesday. I'm gonna do video every Wednesday.
We're gonna make videos every Wednesday.
Well, I am.
What about us? Because we need to make videos.
Just not as long as it's not every Wednesday.
We can make it every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday.
No, only 1 or 2 days. Anyway, so yeah. Oh wait, look, he's Stefano.
We should make them every Friday. I'm gonna get a little new stand thingy for my camera so we won't have to hold the iPod.
Okay, well, going to go now. So, bye.